Hello you guys, my name is Suge, and in today's video I will be opening up this Happy Mail that I got from Savings with Grace. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. I love her little bow packaging and the sticker with the Sharpay on it. So cute. I'm gonna open up my cash tray first and we'll see what that looks like. Ooh, this is so pretty. I was really worried about ordering one of these trays from her because I didn't know how it would ship. I was just worried that it would break or get damaged along the way here, but it looks perfect. So I got some little, I think these are things that you can put under the cash tray to keep it from moving around. And then I got paper clips. Yay, these are so pretty. They're rose gold. I got a really pretty sticker here. I would love to incorporate that into my binder somehow. And then I just got some cards. This is so cute. If you are saving, you are succeeding. You got a teller slip, and then just a thank you card. So this is her really cute freebie that she includes. So cute. And then I have a $100 placeholder. Love that. Okay, this is what I was most excited for. I got all new envelopes for my binder. So I'll go ahead and open this up. And it was definitely time for a refresh of my envelopes. So I'll go through and show you guys what I got. So I have shared bills, personal bills, groceries, household, food and drinks, activities, so cute, transportation, miscellaneous, treat, spending, social, self-care, Pedro, oh, Happy Mail, and then wish list. So now I will just go through my binder and put in these new envelopes. So I have my sections divided to expenses, personal, savings, and debt. So I'll work on this section first. So for expenses, I have shared bills, personal bills, groceries, household, food and drinks, activities, transportation, and then miscellaneous. And then for personal, sorry you guys, it is so windy outside. It's actually so loud in here. I just hear a lot of creaking and it's freaking me out. All right, so for personal, I have treat, spending, social, self-care, Pedro, Happy Mail, and then wish list. Yay! So now I'll just go through and put the money I have into these envelopes. So for groceries, these strawberries are so cute. I love it. And then household has nothing. I changed this to food and drink instead of eating out because I also wanted to cover like when we go out for drinks and stuff like that. And I love the design that she put in here. Activities remains the same. Transportation. I love this cow print for miscellaneous. All of this is so cute. And then for treat, I thought this envelope was perfect because I love getting like gummy candies or like ice cream and stuff like that for treat. So that's perfect. So spending is taking place of personal. That's empty. So social will be a new envelope that I will be stuffing for. I just wanted a category where I can save money to be able to go out with coworkers or friends and not have to pull out of eating out. Self-care is also new. I just want to prioritize self-care, so I have a separate envelope for that. And then Pedro, I love how she customized this to his hobbies. So Pedro really loves football, soccer, and baseball, so she included these icons, which I thought was so cute. And then Happy Mail is new. I wanted a separate one for Happy Mail instead of putting it all into wish list because lately I have been spending a lot here and I would also love to just support small shops. And then wish list, these cute little strawberries. That is it for these envelopes. So cute, and I'm so excited. Oh, I didn't share with you guys what this will be. So I've shared bills. So this will be to save towards rent, utilities, any bills that I split with Pedro will be in here because in the past I was just putting it into the miscellaneous envelope, but it got a little confusing to kind of tell apart where I was saving what. And then miscellaneous was also covering my personal bills like phone, my nursing insurance, and all of that. So I'm gonna start stuffing that in here. Next, I'm gonna see if I can include any of these cute stickers or paper clips into my setup. So I know this binder needs something. I'm gonna just put the strawberry one here that I got from Grace, and I think that's all that I can do right now. All right, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know that I've had a lot of Happy Mail coming through lately, and I still have a couple of more that I'm waiting on. I have gone way too crazy. I'm excited to have all these new products, and it just makes me feel a little bit more motivated to budget. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to say hello, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.